Last autumn we showed you how to plant bulbs with some of the biennials, wallflowers and viola, and I thought you might like to see the results and some lessons to be learned. I mean, here we have really top-sized tulip, that's what we call 14 up. That's the centimetre circumference of the bulb, and there's no question it's always worth paying the extra and getting a larger bulb. If you look at the other container just over there, those are 1011s, and you can just see how much smaller and less vigorous those plants are. The wallflowers, of course, will need quite a bit of feeding if we're going to keep that flower coming. And then a little lower down here I've got some Winston Churchill double fragrant narcissus that were planted last autumn, and in the pot alongside is in its second season of flowering, so you can get 2 lots of flower from the one planting. But it is important at this time of the year to see that they're regularly fed. You need a tomato fertiliser, a high potash fertiliser to really feed and keep those leaves coming if you're going to build the strength of the bulb enough to flower. When it comes to choice of tulip, the bulb we've got here is of the Greggii type, which, as well as having pretty flowers, have hosta-like coloured attractive leaves. Well worth seeking out. Most of them are quite early flowered, although this double Red Riding Hood is quite late. Useful things to remember when you're buying bulbs next autumn.